Ready to discover travel gadgets Amazon doesn't put in the spotlight? These insanely useful finds are built to make every trip smoother, easier, and way more comfortable wherever you go. From compact organizers to smart on-the-go essentials, they solve problems you didn't know you had. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Great espresso shouldn't be tied to your kitchen. This portable espresso maker is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. It heats water fast and uses high pressure to pull a smooth shot with rich crema in minutes. With one-button control and support for both grounds and capsules, great coffee is always within reach. Turn your phone into a DSLR-style camera in seconds. This smart shutter grip gives your fingers that pro-level control with an ergonomic hook design that feels just right. Half press to focus, full press to snap, just like a real camera. It even has a quick mode switch button for toggling between functions. Snap on the magnetic fill light, and you're ready to shoot like a pro, day or night. Traveling or connecting globally just got effortless. This AI translator speaks and even clones your voice, letting you sound natural in over 50 languages. It translates calls in real time, handles text, photos, and speech, and works instantly. No setup needed. With free lifetime internet in nearly 200 countries, you can communicate anywhere without limits. Advanced AI ensures accurate, context-aware translations, so every conversation feels seamless. Think you know the Rubik's Cube? The Wow Cube turns it into a high-tech playground. Each module has digital screens and motion controls, letting you play games, solve puzzles, and interact in ways a normal cube can't. It challenges your memory, coordination, and spatial skills while keeping that satisfying twist and turn feel. So, if you want a cube that's smart and fun, scan the QR on screen. Take your labeling game to the next level with this mini thermal printer. Just connect via Bluetooth and print labels for clothes, cables, jewelry, folders, or anything you need. No ink required. The companion app comes with hundreds of templates, or you can create your own for a personal touch. OCR technology even converts text from photos into editable labels in seconds. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's perfect for home, office, or small business organization. Your screen doesn't have to stay on your desk anymore. These AR glasses place a massive virtual display right in front of your eyes while still letting you see the world around you. Motion tracking keeps everything steady, so movies and games feel natural and immersive. Plug them into your phone, console, or computer and carry a private theater wherever you go. So if you want the ultimate portable screen, scan the QR on screen. If you love staying cool without dragging a bulky fan around, this compact rechargeable fan is a game changer. It folds down small enough for a desk, but extends tall enough to work as a floor fan, giving you airflow wherever you need it. The quiet motor keeps things calm, and the multiple speed options let you choose exactly how much breeze you want. Perfect for bedrooms, road trips, camping, or anywhere you need instant comfort. Say goodbye to stiff shoulders and neck tension with this hand-mimicking massager. It kneads and squeezes like real hands, giving you a professional massage at home. 3 heat and intensity levels let you customize your comfort. Wireless and portable, you can relax anytime, anywhere. One-button control makes it simple for anyone to use, fitting perfectly around your neck and shoulders. Feel like your screen's never big enough? These ultralight XR glasses throw a massive virtual display right in front of you, perfect for gaming, streaming, or even browsing on the go. With crystal clear visuals, immersive surround audio, and a sleek fit, it's like carrying a personal movie theater in your pocket. Just plug in and dive into the action. No bulky headset required. This sleek stand powers up your phone and laptop at the same time. With wireless charging, it delivers a fast charge to your iPhone, while the built-in retractable cable pumps out for tablets or laptops. Strong magnets keep your device in place, and the adjustable stand makes it perfect for gaming, work, or video calls. Less clutter, more power, all in one compact setup. Here's a gadget that makes rainy days and damp laundry way less stressful. It looks like a regular hanger, but it doubles as a mini hot air dryer for both clothes and shoes. You can switch between warm air or natural wind. Set a timer and let it work quietly in the background. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel, business trips, or just quick drying at home without bulky machines. Walking two dogs doesn't have to feel like a circus act. This dual retractable leash keeps things tangle-free no matter how much they crisscross and explore. Each lead extends up to 10 feet and has its own color-coded control button, so you stay in charge of both pups with one comfy handle. Reflective strips make evening walks safer, and the waterproof design means rain's no issue. Power up everything at once. This 5-port USB-C charging station delivers a massive 300-watt output, letting you charge laptops, phones, tablets, and even a Steam Deck simultaneously. With GaN technology, it keeps your devices safe from overheating or short circuits while charging at full speed. One port can push up to 140 watts, powering a MacBook Pro from 0 to half full in just 30 minutes. Sleek and compact, it turns any desk into a super efficient charging hub for all your gadgets. Your door just got smarter. This keyless deadbolt unlocks automatically with UWB hands-free detection as you approach, so you never have to fumble with keys again. You can also use fingerprint, touchscreen code, Apple Home Key, voice assistance, or the app for full flexibility. Built with Matter over Thread, it works with multiple smart home systems at once, giving fast, stable, and secure access. Rechargeable, weatherproof, and BHMA certified, it keeps your home safe while staying convenient every day. Meet the water bottle that thinks for you. This smart bottle tracks every sip through built-in sensors and syncs it straight to your phone. When it's time to drink, it glows or beeps, so you'll never forget to stay hydrated again. It even shows up on your Apple Find My app if it ever goes missing. Plus, it keeps your drink icy cold and leak-free all day long. Parenting feels a lot easier when the stroller works with you. This seat rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can switch from parent-facing to forward-facing in seconds. 3 recline positions keep your baby comfortable whether they're napping or exploring. A swiveling support bar with a snack tray makes snack time simple on the go. Plush padding with a reversible insert. Cool mesh on one side, soft fleece on the other, keeps your little one cozy in every season. Level up your content creation with this all-in-one creator kit. The Fun Shot Grip gives you a wireless shutter button and secure hold, while the magnetic selfie light adds perfect illumination with a 360-degree rotatable design. Everything snaps on magnetically to iPhone or Android phones, making setup instant and hassle-free. Use the grip and light separately or together for endless creative possibilities. Compact and travel-friendly, it's ideal for selfies, TikToks, Zoom calls, or on-the-go filming. Why drag your luggage when you can ride it? This portable suitcase doubles as a scooter, letting you glide smoothly through airports or stations without breaking a sweat. At just 6.8 kilograms, it's lightweight yet strong enough to handle daily travel. The smart handlebar controls acceleration, braking, and even reversing with ease. With built-in lights and app control, your trip just got a whole lot more fun. Want to capture every adventure without holding a camera? The Go Ultra Standard Bundle is a tiny, hands-free 4K cam you can wear, clip, or mount anywhere. It's ultra light at just 53 grams and shoots crisp 4K 60 frames per second video, even in low light, with its advanced sensor and AI-powered pure video mode. Magnetic mounts and the included accessories give you endless angles for cycling, running, or diving. With 200 minutes of battery life and fast charging, you can keep the action rolling all day. Ever wish your phone could film like a pro camera? This smartphone video rig gives you that power. With dual side handles that rotate 360, you get smooth, steady shots no matter how you hold it. A filter adapter lets you attach professional lenses for cinematic effects. Cold shoe mounts make it easy to add a mic or light, so your setup grows with you. Tough aluminum keeps your phone safe while you create anywhere. Tired of tapping away on your tiny phone screen? This foldable Bluetooth keyboard turns your smartphone into a compact workstation in seconds. It even comes with a built-in phone stand so you can recline your device and type comfortably wherever you are. The sleek, minimalist design folds up small enough to fit in your pocket, making it a smart pick for travel or remote work on the go. Measure, mark, and level with precision in one sleek tool. This digital inclinometer features dual red light markers for accurate horizontal and vertical alignment, plus a double-sided LED screen for easy reading from any angle. Lightweight and portable, it handles 360-degree angle measurements and offers both absolute and relative modes. Ideal for stairs, ceilings, and tricky corners, it charges via USB-C, so you're never out of power on the job. It's more than a safe, it's a smart bedside companion. This biometric drawer safe unlocks with your fingerprint, a code, or backup keys, giving you quick access in seconds. The built-in LED display shows time, humidity, and temperature, so you're always in the know. On top, wireless charging keeps your phone and smartwatch powered, while your valuables stay protected below. Silent mode and interior lighting make it discreet, secure, and easy to use anytime. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches over your home. With wheels, it can move around to check every corner instead of staying stuck in one spot. The 2K camera gives you super clear video, and night vision keeps things visible even in the dark. You can even talk through it or get a call straight from the device with one touch. Cute design, big battery, and smart features make it perfect for families and pets alike. Never run out of power again with this pocket-sized portable charger. It's designed to charge your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. No extra cables needed. The built-in connectors make it super convenient for travel or everyday use, and the keychain design means it's always within reach. Despite its mini size, it packs serious power and keeps your devices safe with smart protection features. Keep sauces, dips, and condiments right where you need them. These colorful clip-on bowl holders attach to plates and platters, freeing up space and keeping everything neat. Perfect for parties, snacks, or meals. They hold dips, guacamole, candy, or even peelings. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, they make serving effortless. Bright, practical, and fun. These little bowls turn any gathering into a cleaner, more organized experience. Keep your bike safe without the hassle. This heavy-duty ULock is made from reinforced steel that's tough to cut, while the silicone cover protects your frame from scratches. A strong, flexible cable lets you secure your bike to posts or fences when extra reach is needed. The precise lock core with a unique key prevents tampering, and the included mounting bracket makes it easy to carry on every ride. Solid, reliable, and ready for all types of bikes. Wrinkled clothes on a trip can ruin your morning fast. This compact travel steamer heats up almost instantly, giving you smooth, fresh-looking outfits in just seconds. You can switch between multiple steam levels on the LCD screen, so every fabric gets the right treatment. The handle flips and rotates, helping you reach tricky spots without strain. Toss it in your bag, plug it in, and keep your clothes looking crisp wherever you go. These earbuds do way more than just play music. With an AI voice assistant built in, they can translate conversations in 62 languages on the spot. You can ask questions, transcribe voice notes, and even search the web, all hands-free. The companion app stores everything neatly and makes access super easy. It's like having a mini smart assistant right in your ears. Clean smarter, not longer. This all-in-one device combines a sonic toothbrush with a water flosser to remove up to 100% of plaque and reach spots a manual brush can't. Choose between deep clean or quick floss modes and adjust intensity for sensitive gums or tough stains. Cordless and travel-ready, it runs up to 30 days on a single charge, perfect for trips or daily use. Compact, efficient, and powerful. It makes full mouth care faster, easier, and more effective than ever. Your car just got a tech upgrade. This 3-channel mirror dash cam records front, rear, and bumper views in stunning 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p. The advanced sensor captures crisp, vibrant footage even at night or in tricky lighting. Connect via fast Wi-Fi or use voice commands while keeping your eyes on the road. So if you want total coverage for every drive, scan the QR on screen. Bad hair days don't stand a chance against this high-speed hairdryer. A powerful airflow dries your hair incredibly fast, cutting down your morning routine without blasting you with harsh heat. Built-in ions smooth frizz and help your hair stay soft, shiny, and full of life. Smart temperature control constantly adjusts the heat so you don't damage your hair while drying. It's lightweight, quiet, and easy to use, making every blow-dry feel effortless and comfortable. This clever little camera pulls double duty, vlogging companion by day, home security by night. With sharp resolution and a 360-degree view, it captures everything from pet shenanigans to porch visitors, even in low light. Built-in eye detects motion, records surprise moments, and lets you chat with whoever's on the other side. It's portable, wireless, and even comes with a magnetic mount for hands-free use on the go. Canning just got way easier. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer locks in freshness with the press of a button. No hand pumps or tricky steps required. It works with both wide and regular mouth lids, sealing jars in seconds, so your pantry staples, pickles, or homemade goodies stay fresher for longer. A single charge can handle over 100 jars, making it a true time saver. Simple, automatic, and perfect for everyday food storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.